just wanna be happy tonight.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. If you're new here, then let me introduce myself. I am Kiran and I make lifestyle and fun videos. If you're not subscribed yet, then consider subscribing and hit the notification bell as well. That will help me a lot. Done? Thank you. Now let's move on. So in this video, I will be sharing with you guys some tips for oily skin. I will also be sharing few tricks in between, so make sure you watch the whole video. Now let's jump straight in. It is very important to clean your face twice a day, but at the same time, do not overwash it, over cleanse it. Cleaning your face 2 times a day using the 60-second cleanup rule with a mild face cleanser is sufficient. This is the one that I really like and I feel it does its job very nicely. Also, if you want to know what is the 60-second cleanup rule and what I'm talking about, then I made a whole video where I discussed about the topic. You can click on the screen here or here to watch it after this video. Now, I'm not really a toner user person, and I know like in a lot of videos people are like, use toner, use this, do that, blah blah blah. But I don't think it's like an important step in your skincare routine and you can skip it. But if you do use it, make sure it's an alcoholic free one, because you do not want to strip your skin, right? You still want it to feel moisturized, you don't want it flaky. Correct me if I'm wrong. I have seen a few articles where they recommend to exfoliate your skin twice or thrice a week, but I feel that's a little too much. Once a week is fine. 2 to 3 times a week is a little too harsh for your skin. Also, at the same time, make sure you are very gentle. Go in circular motions with a light hand. Now, let me give you a tip, and that is, if you do not have a bloating paper, totally fine. Use a good quality tissue and gently pat it on your face. It will do the trick. It will absorb the excess oil without spending a lot. Face masks to deep clean your face? Absolutely. Yes, please. I use this one twice a month because it's very drying, which is good for oily skin to clean the pores nicely. Make sure to apply a good moisturizer afterwards. I made a full video on how to use this mask properly. Again, click on the screen to watch it after this video. I will also link all the videos in the description box below too. Now, the most conspiratorial tip of the video. Moisturizers for oily skin. Do not skip moisturizers. Moisturizing your face is super important even if you have oily skin just like I do. Use a gel-based moisturizers. There are so many available in the market these days. But in case you do not want to spend, absolutely fine. Here's another trick for you guys that I shared in my previous video too. So basically what you can do is apply any moisturizer, then take an ice cube, gently rub it all over your face, then pat your face dry. That way it will take away all the excess oil and will leave you with oil-free, moisturized, healthy skin. I have said this almost in my every skin related video, which is sunscreen is very important. Do not miss this at any cost. Use a matte sunscreen that doesn't leave any shine or makes your skin oily. So this is the one that I use and it is almost powdery in consistency, but I feel that's good for my skin which is oily. Also, it's very important to eat less oily food, junk food. I know it's difficult to totally give up, but we can at least try eating more healthy food and be a little more conscious about how much junk food we eat. After all, what we eat is what reflects on our skin, and if we are not eating healthy, then how can we expect our skin to look healthy, right? That's it for today's video. I hope you guys took away something from this, and if yes, then please give it a like and let me know in the comment sections below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!